a minute.
Bye hard. Come on, sorry. Okay. Never. On the biscuit.
Hey, I'm Winston Churchill. Remember me? I'm the man who invented the victory. We had a bit of trouble back in '39 with a guy called Adolf getting out of line. It got kind of hot around London town when this cat started chucking them down. I was sitting in my bunker underneath Whitehall. I didn't feel very safe at all. They asked me why, and I stood up and said, I just found a cherry under my bed. All the people said, "What we gonna do?" I said, well, just say to Adolf, to you.
We threw away our guns, we left because we won. We wrapped it up in 45. Our Winston didn't care, two fingers in the air, showed Adolf how we could survive.
Adolf, baby, how you gonna win? You gotta fight me in Berlin. Hey. Well, the battle of Britain had just got started. I must admit, we was a bit downhearted, but we kept on singing our favorite tunes like 99 Red Afternoons. Big Bad Adolf wanna be too far, so I lit myself a big cigar. I said, okay, Fritz, I'll make you an offer. 22 spits against you, hold up proper. We sent our convoys to Murmansk, and Mama hit the desert with his pants and tans. I said to Molly, get this master race. Get out there, boy, kick sand in his face. Cause we got ourselves a new secret weapon. Spare supporters, go and get 'em!
We threw away our guns, we left because we won. We wrapped it up in 45. Our Winston didn't care, two fingers in the air, showed Adolf how we could survive. I said, big, let's all dig for victory.
Now we had it all in the London Blitz with Stiggers, Daniels, and Mrs. Smiths. So you make bombs in the river, do you? Well, catch this one out back.